Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's create 3D realistic grass in Blender in real quick. Let's remove all of this. It's not necessary, we can remove only this one. Delete. Now Shift A and take a new plane mesh. Make it a little bigger. Okay. Now click on the particle tabs. Create new. Now we have a little particle here. Let's create on here and check the advance so we can have these physics steps and increase the number to 6000, one more zero, or maybe you can take this as your computer strength if your computer can handle. Then click on the physics tabs and increase the brownie a little bit and reduce the hair length. Grass actually is not 4 meter long. One, or maybe more shorter. 0.5. Okay, this will work for our tutorial. Now let's color this. Go to the material tabs, create new, and pick a greenish color. Let's see in the render mode. Yes, we have our grass. Or you can play with the color a little bit. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.